Using the FreshVac pump with the pitcher is easy. First, place your pitcher on the counter. Load your desired ingredients into the pitcher, making sure to keep all ingredients below the max fill line. Place the pitcher lid into the pitcher by aligning the arrow indicators and lowering the pitcher handle. Place the FreshVac pump on top of the rubber valve. To activate the pump, press down on the power button located on the top of the pump. Once the pump is activated, a white light will appear. When a vacuum seal has been reached, a green light will illuminate and the pump will power off. To remove the pump from the pitcher, press down firmly on the pump release button and lift up on the pump. Blend as desired. Once blending is complete, remove the pitcher from the motor base and gently lift up on the teal vacuum seal tab until the vacuum seal is released. It is important to remember that the vacuum seal must be released before removing the pitcher lid or opening the pour spout. Pour thinner mixtures from the pour spout. Remove the lid and carefully remove the stacked blade assembly before pouring thicker mixtures. Enjoy!